What's going on, guys? We're going to do a little stock market recap here. We're going to be going over the triple Qs. We're going to go over the S&P 500 as well as the small caps, banks, so forth and so forth with the IWM. Now, today was a little bit of a slow start, right? So we had the initial big gap down in the markets that kind of took away a lot of the potential short positions that we could have looked for off the bell, okay? With that being said, there still was some moves that were provided both long and short today. I know a lot of guys in my room at Evolution Traders, we traded Tesla, we traded the NQ futures, we traded ES futures, we traded Coinbase, we traded Nvidia. What else? There was something else in there I'm forgetting. By the way, guys, those of you guys who are on YouTube, but maybe perhaps want to join the community where you get access to those live streams, I'm live trading where, I'm going over the analysis in real time, kind of reading the price action, have video courses, lessons, online community tab, daily watches, and all that. That link's down in the description. Let's look at the triple Qs here where we kind of stand, right? So we gapped down below this 50-day moving average and we came right here into our daily 20-day moving average. Now, this is going to be a very significant level that the bulls are going to need to hold. So what I would like to see the bulls hold here is around 367.60s. That's your 20 and 50 EMA, right? So our 20 SMA and our 50 EMA. If by any shot, the bears take control and we do close below 367.66, all bets are off to the long side. So right now we still have some stocks that look good long. We've got a couple of stocks that look good short, but we have to continue to give the bulls the benefit of the doubt. Does that mean that you can't look for short opportunities if the market's pulling back? Of course not. But from a macro kind of overview here, this is nothing more than an original breakout from the 50 SMA. We lost it. We back tested the next demand zone and we bounced off. So we finished at the top of the range for today. What I'm looking at here on the triple Qs, if you guys trade the triple Qs or anything in tech over 372.82, we've got room into 374.40s. I wouldn't really expect some huge crazy move all the way back up to the upside into 380s this week. Again, anything's possible. I would look for something, between that 374 and around 376, or if we do start to lose that 367, maybe that's where we end up to kind of end the week. So kind of, correlate your tech stock trades with the triple Qs. Make sure you got an eye on the macro picture and exactly what's going on here. Now, the SPY is painting a little bit of a different picture here, right? Again, it's also an index that's below the 50-day moving average here. However, today we actually came down and not just tested the 20 SMA, but we actually broke through the 50 EMA, okay? So what I really want to look for here is the SPY has a lot more resistance levels to the upside, macro resistance levels to the upside with the linear regression channel, the 5, the 50, and the 10-day moving averages. I'm going to look for stiff rejection at 446 to 448. Okay, so what does that mean? Until we get over the 448 area and we can close over this 5-day moving average, I don't really like the SPY long at all. I would rather let the longs go and then kind of wait for the flush. I would like to see 442.61 get broken to the downside. That's going to be an absolute free fall into 437. It is what it is. IWM is what we traded. Biggs traded the IWM today. He shorted it. It was a great little move there. So we can see the IWM, your small cap, some of your financials are going to be in the IWM as well. What we're looking at here, we had that initial gap down. Now, I want you guys to notice that, we lost our 50-day moving average on the IWM 3 days ago, and it's been red, red, red. So the next level of support that I'm looking at is the 200. This is a huge level here. I'm actually going to also ignore the longs here on the IWM. So what you would want to see is if the IWM starts to bounce, right, just go ahead and let it do its thing until it gets over 187.35 on a daily candle close, because I would be more so interested in the rejection to play down under a previous day close and then play it back down into the 200-day moving average at around 183. Now, if the IWM loses 183, 181 is evident, and then your bottom channel is sitting down here at 178. So those are the levels. That's how you're going to kind of play them. That's just a little stock market ETF kind of recap there. I hope you guys all had a successful trading day. If you didn't, at least a break-even trading day. And if you guys lost a little bit, let's come inside Evolution Traders. Let's figure out what you're doing wrong. Let's try to put you on a path to be more consistent, to have a better overall understanding as to, you know, as a trader, what we can potentially do better, you know, what we're already doing good at, and we kind of emphasize those strengths, work on our weaknesses, whether it be technical or psychological. We can definitely try to pinpoint what's exactly going wrong with your trading. Again, because everyone has different issues, right? Whether it be fear, whether it be over trading, whether it be greed, whether it be confidence, psychology, whether it be just simply not knowing where to read price action and you're just getting in too late. And that being technical, we can try to figure that out in Evolution Traders and come up with a good game plan and trading plan for you guys. Again, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to join with me, you want to trade with me, you guys want to get access to everything, you know, that I offer, link down in the description box below, or visit evolutiontraders.com for that lifetime package deal. And I'll see all of you guys on the inside.